What's this you have here?
A 1968 C10 Chevy truck.
And what made this your choice?
I love the colors. I like trucks.
Okay.
Ohio State colors.
Okay. You're right. This is a nice truck, though. How long have you had it?
2 years.
Okay.
Came out of Ohio from a consignment store,
Okay.
and it was built in California. 12-year restoration.
What made this particular truck stick out to you?
I just fell in love with it.
Okay. Is this your first truck?
First truck, I had a 56 Thunderbird back before this one.
How's the ride to you?
Nice, nice.
Okay.
I had to put coilovers on the front because it was so low rider. It was not driver friendly, and I wanted to drive it.
How long have you been interested in particular cars?
Ooh, probably since the 80s. I had a couple Corvettes in another lifetime, and now I've just kind of picked back up on
Now
it.
you kind of slowed down.
Yeah.
Because you drive fast in this house?
No, I
Okay.
don't.
So you're cruising in this one?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
often do you take it out?
Every Saturday for a car show.
Okay.
Once in a while, if it's not out on a Saturday, I'll maybe take it someplace just to keep the oil running in it.
So for those that don't know, is there a particular history with this car? Not yours, but the car itself.
From the builder, I asked the builder who built it, who painted it, all that stuff. He said he did everything, and he owed the paint job from his brother that taught him how to paint, and he's now deceased. And I asked him, did he get to see the truck? And he said yes, he did.
Oh, okay.
So that's kind of the history behind it.
So do you have other cars in your collection, or this your main one?
This is it. This is it. For a car show.
If you don't mind me asking, how much do you have invested into the car?
Ooh, I probably got another maybe 15,000
Okay.
by the time I did some modifications myself and, stuff like that.